First, I'm taking some instant oats. I'm going to powder it. I'm taking about half cup of instant oats and then I'll grind it till it's a fine powder. If you have oat flour, you can use that. Just take half cup plus another 2 tablespoons. So now it's a fine powder. I'm going to add it to a bowl. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour, that is atta, and please do not skip this. This is going to add that binding required for your oat honey pancakes, because if you are going to make this eggless, you will need that binding. Half teaspoon of baking powder. If you don't have baking powder, use a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. That will also work. Mix it. Next, I'm adding 1 egg, but don't be discouraged to make this eggless. Just use 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt, that is dahi, and that will work just fine. Then I added half teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can also use ground cinnamon, which is dachini. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of milk bit by bit. Then I'm going to mix it. So the entire point of the oat honey pancake batter is that you have to make it a little runny. Whenever you're making a pancake batter with oats, just make it a little runny, because as you cook it, it's going to absorb all of that hydration and you might end up with a very dry pancake. So it's essential you make it a little runny. Next, I added 2 tablespoons of honey. After mixing the batter, let it sit for 5 minutes. So I mixed it, then I let it sit for 5 minutes so that it fluffs up even more, and now we're going to cook it. This is a frying pan on low to medium heat. I greased it with a little bit of butter. I'm going to cook this, and after a couple of minutes, you'll notice these bubbles on top, right? That is your cue to flip the pancake. I cook the other side for about 30 seconds and then it's done. I make about 3 medium-sized pancakes with this recipe, and it's enough for me. You can serve it with some sliced fruit, a bit of drizzle of honey, anything works. If you try this recipe, let me know. You can also tag me on Instagram as Pratty and Food. And if you're new on my channel, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye.